Hey my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to another video. It's 2026 now. Yay! I love y'all. I appreciate you. I thank you for sticking and staying and rocking with me all the way through. And we about to do this again for another year, and I can't wait for you all to see what's coming up. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, besties. Grocery haul time. We went to Aldi's, Dollar General, and Walmart. And Giant Eagle. So we'll start over here. Nothing is in any particular order because it's all over the place. So we got 2 dozen eggs. We got, what are these things called? These Built Puff cookie dough chunks. These are husband's protein bars. Of course, we got the fudge mint striped cookies. Everybody loves them. 2 loaves of bread, 2 things of hot dog buns, a gallon of milk, 1 thing of sharp cheddar cheese ball, because husband loves those balls, sliced cheese, the other thing of hot dog buns. We got diced ham. We have Canadian bacon. We have a thing of pepperoni. We also have 2 things of Polish kielbasa. We picked up the hazelnut coffee as well as the donut shop coffee. Sweet and crunchy lettuce or salad. And this is the sweet butter. We got some fruit snacks. We also got some cheese cubes to go with the pepperoni. We got tortillas to make wraps. We have sandwich cookies for the kiddos. We have the chicken nugget dupes, the Chick-fil-A dupe nuggets, extra crispy restaurant fries. This is our last meal because our fast starts January 2nd. We also have the vegetable round crackers, 3 cases of water, a case of Fanta, orange, Fanta strawberry, Crush, Mountain Dew, and Pepsi. That's underneath that. We also picked up some Crest. This is Crest whitening toothpaste. 2 of these Guru Nanda toothbrushes. It says soft. I'm gonna see how well they work because they look really bristly and soft. So if they work, then it's a plus. I'll let you know. I got these from the Dollar General in the dollar spot, so they were actually $1. We also got these hair clippies because Jada is getting her another wig so she can tie her hair up. And I'm like, yeah, see, this is why I need to get a wig so I can have cute accessories too. The lady at the cash register pulled these out because they had just got this in. So me and Jada both got one. I got the purple and she got pink. And it is the accessory set for any water bottle. But since we have Stanleys, we will use them for our Stanleys. And then I picked up this Ocean Fresh hand sanitizer. This is from the Dollar General in their dollar spot. So this is actually $1, not $1.25 plus tax like Dollar Tree. And then this one is the salted caramel. We also picked up 3-ounce bath cups because you know I use those for the kids for their mouthwash. 2 things of paper plates. Why? Because your girl is tired of the dishes. 2 things of bowls. They only had forks, so I picked up 1 thing of forks. From Walmart, we picked up these Lunchable, dunkable things. These are for Jada. 2 of the Circle. Oh, this is peach mango. They were in the clearance aisle for $2.50. So don't forget to check your clearance aisle at your local Walmart. Jada also got this Red Bull energy drink. What is this? 4 counts of maple griddle cakes. Husband picked up these. He picked up this ornament for me. It's the Clueless ornament because it is one of my favorite movies. He also picked up the Ollivander's, or I don't know what this is, Christmas tree ornament. It is it's the wand when it gets his wand. I also picked up some alcohol swabs because, you know, as you know, I'm a diabetic, so I need to swab my leg and my pen. I picked up these Christmas bowls. If you go out there, they're 12 cents. So go to your local Walmart, pick some up because you can't go wrong with plastic containers. It doesn't matter what season it is because everybody can use these. They're 12 cents. I picked up 2 cups, 2 bowls. I also got pepperoni, honey ham, hard salami, honey turkey breast, and rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. I picked up 2 steaks. This is the pepperoni pizza Lunchables for the kiddos' dinner tonight. We picked up an apple Danish and strawberry and cream muffins for breakfast. Also went to the little clearance section. I got some Hello Kitty Christmas wrapping paper, and we found some black people wrapping paper, y'all. So it's black paper party. It's very pretty. It's very nice. So this will all go downstairs for Christmas. We also picked up some of the TheraBreath dentist formulated what is this stuff? Mouthwash. That's Jade. And she picked her up a Sonicare toothbrush, and then she picked up this Wicked Care Bear set. It is super cute. She's addicted to Wicked, so she has to collect them all like Pokemon. There are several other characters that she has to collect. I don't know where she's going to get them, but those are the other characters. So she's got the 2 main. She just needs those. Yes, anybody who wants to pick this up for Jada to complete her Wicked Care Bear collection, donations are being accepted. All right. That is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away. Hey, my besties. How you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. And today is January 1st, 2026. Happy New Year. By the time you guys see this, though, it will be way past January 1st. But your girl is trying to do something different with the channel. I'm still going to be cleaning and giving you guys all of that great, wonderful motivation. But it won't be as, just straight cleaning, fasting, and all that good stuff. So I stopped at Burger King because today is the last day before the fast. And of course, for those who've been with me for a minute, you know that the fast starts January 2nd. And the first phase of the fast is no fried foods. So for 10 days, no fried foods. So we're going to do that. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're not following me over on my socials, follow me over on my socials, especially Instagram. I think I might do TikTok, but I'm not sure. But I am going to be posting daily my fast for the 40 days. So if you got Instagram, follow me. If you have TikTok, follow me. If you have both, follow me on both. Your girl could use it. For those who don't do social media whatsoever, that is perfectly fine. Just keep watching the videos and you will see everything in the videos. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat my food and get home, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. As much as I hate going to Walmart, it makes it difficult because they're really the only place that's within my neighborhood that I can go to without having to drive all the way out. Because yesterday we had a storm, so nobody went anywhere yesterday, except in the morning when it wasn't snowing. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna eat my food, get home, show y'all what I got, and we're gonna go from there. All right, I'll catch y'all back at the house. Hello, besties. Small haul. Went to Dollar Tree and Walmart. From Dollar Tree, I picked up this the broom part because I already had the stick. I just needed the broom. 2 of these storage containers. I'm going to put these in the pantry for potatoes and onions and stuff like that. I picked up a notebook, cherries and bows, so cute. Some pens, life happens, coffee helps, towel. What are these things called? Oven mitts. 2 things of packing tape because I was all out. They had the new scents at this store, so I picked up Brazilian caramel scented, and this one is the jasmine dragon fruit. I also picked up the hand wipes purse, but it was pink. I was like, oh, it's so cute. 50% off everything Christmas. I got some Skittles. What are those things? Candy canes, a pen holder, one of those exfoliating bath cloths for her husband. He picked up another container for the pantry, and these containers are for the refrigerator. I also picked up a plate cover for the microwave because I got to clean that microwave, and when I do, I don't want to have to deal with the nasty foolishness. I don't know, did I say napkins? Wasn't sure. And the desk. It's a sit-stand desk from Walmart.
My little safe haven of conversation, where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean, if only through pictures and memes. Years together run deep in the glow of our screens. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy. Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons. Since our last conversation, my girl's been waiting. And me update them, they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they won't. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success, we're a circle of trust. Better send that text. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy. Oh, we listen, we don't judge, we keep it low. A place where you can be free. In group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy.
Alright my friends, so we are coming to the end of this video. It was short and sweet, to the point, and it was just the first video of 2026. I also have memberships started on my channel, so if you feel inclined, if you feel led, if the spirit moves you, please join the membership. Right now there's not a lot to it, but it will get better because your girl has big plans ahead, big things set up, so just keep an eye out and make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss anything that I'm getting ready to put out there. Alright, I love y'all, I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one.